Eager spectators began to arrive early in the student union to see Justice Sonia Sotomayor. An all-female Puerto Rican band entertained them while they waited.
Besides the fact that it's a once in a lifetime to be able to come and see a person whom we honor and who represents all Latinas on the planet, because I read her book and I found it incredibly stimulating.
A roaring and cheering crowd welcomed the first ever Latina justice as she took the stage.
I am so deeply touched that so many of you came.
UC Berkeley law professor Melissa Murray led the discussion.
I had the privilege of clerking for Justice Sotomayor in 2003 to 2004.
The justice answered questions about her memoir, detailing her journey from the Bronx to the Supreme Court.
You have to understand that education is still horrible for the poor, and that most of the poor, not exclusively by the way, but a lot of the poor are people of color and immigrants.
She urged students to continue with higher education.
Look around your neighborhoods. Look in your own family. How many of the people you know never made it through college? Never got there to start with. If you can defy all odds and get in, then you've got what it takes to make it.
Faculty members said Justice Sotomayor's personal account resonated with their students.
I think one of the many things that is inspirational about Justice Sotomayor is that she shares the same background as most of the students do here.
Communications freshman Destiny Montgomery said Sotomayor is an example to follow.
I've come from I guess like you would say, like a low-income, poverty background, and I see myself becoming very successful in the future.
And if I can play a part in inspiring some of that, then I've left an important legacy.
The justice shared a meal with students hours before the event.
We did have a brunch early today, and now that I got to see her, I feel very inspired to actually get to know her, see her, and to share some experiences.
She's so down to earth, incredibly grounded.
During the event, the justice invited students to come on stage and take pictures. All of this started with a heartfelt letter that SJSU professor Maria Luisa Alanis wrote to Sotomayor inviting the justice to campus.
Yes. I felt it was very important that this event be about students. I didn't want to have an event that was about politicians or administrators. I just really wanted the students to fully benefit from her presence on campus, from hearing her story, from interacting with her.
Here at the Student Union, the interaction between the audience and Justice Sotomayor was enthusiastic and genuine, and is now part of the history of San Jose State and the memories of students. On campus, Chiquillo-Sosa, Update News.